Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Tuesday, June 24th. Another wild day in the market, but we're used to it. As I said in the previous videos, that this double top could be in, and if it does stay that way, then we're going to get a dip, and we'll get down to the 50-day moving average. If that doesn't hold, we're going to come down to test the 100 like we did here, So that pretty much what took place today. It's funny it takes this long to bring it up, but only this long to bring it down. So we did take a nice dip today, which is needed. It's not broken, but we need a nice dip. But how do you play? What do you play? Well, the members video tonight will give you many selections on how to take advantage of a market correction, and we should have like a 3 to 5% correction in the market, and really make some good money on it. And then on the upside, when we finally get to the bottom, potentially we could get down to this 200-day moving average, but we'll have to see what happens. Take a look at the SPY. All right, the S&P 500, same thing today, except came down, and it's just above the 50 right now. One thing you want to keep an eye on, same with the Dow, is make sure you have your trend lines drawn, because when those broken, it's over. They drop like a bat out of hell, so you want to make sure that you're, you can run this right here. But I don't think this one's going to break, but I do think it's going to be support somewhere in this area, so 190, and that'll go right inside with what I've been talking about with the gap close right here at the 190 area, 190.71. So we should get a nice little correction, nice little pullback, and have some fun with this one. But there are a few that are working. Okay, let's take a look at DNDN. DNDN has been butchered over the last several months, and it's down, and it's been a nice accumulation pattern down here. It's just chilling. So what we need for this to happen is for this to break out of this box right here. We need the top of this candle, and but right now you can see your trend line is right here. But we did break over that very important middle Bollinger Band, so now we're going bullish. So to look for this 100-day, 50-day right here, 225 to get hit first. And then after that happens, we break out of this box right here. We could come up and hit the 275 depending on the volume. But nice volume increase on that one today. ACT. ACT is working out very nice right now. It had still green on the day, you know, up $2, some 286 on the day. But look to short this one. Okay, not yet. But wait till it comes up and hits its head right here. If it doesn't break through, make sure you short it. Your relative strength index is at 71. Or puts, however you want to play it. So let it hit this, and the relative strength index should be right around 75, 77 at that point, and then take this down, ride it down to the middle Bollinger Band, or inside anyway. At least ride it to this top right here, because you have this top, and this acting as support. So you might be able to get on the downside on this one about 215. So keep an eye on that one. Last one I want to look at is CINA. CINA is doing really well here after this got beat up down to the downside, and I talk about these consolidation boxes all the time. And here's what happens when you break. You know, when you break out of that box, you can see where the box was here. You know, you have your low candles right here, and you had a higher low, and then when you broke the box, you really took off with some heavy volume. Okay, so we're out of that right now, heading to the upside. Potential areas first is going to be this here at 52. 52 should be easy. And then after that, we'll worry about what happens next. But for now, look for a target of 52 on CINA. All right. If you're not a member, make sure you join. We have that special 700 right now. It'll be linked right off this video on YouTube. So you can click that, sign up. It's 700 for a lifetime. We might do this the whole summer. We're still in talks on what we're going to do. But take advantage of it right now, because it's very important, and it's easy to make money. All right, members, with this market correction, we have a killer video tonight with 5 that we want you to keep your eye on, and we're going to set up the trade strategies for those. All right, so we'll see you over at the members video. Everyone have yourself a great day trading tomorrow.